How to delete all watched videos on Facebook in mobile. So if you want to delete all of your watched videos on Facebook in mobile, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and then go with settings and privacy and go with settings option. Under settings, now you need to go with activity log. Scroll down and then go with activity log option. Under activity log, you need to go with activity status or your Facebook activity. And then tap on the post and go with see more. Scroll down and go with videos you watched, and here you will have all of the videos that you've watched on Facebook. So from here you can simply go with the right side, which has that three dots icon, and then you will be able to have a delete option. You can simply go with delete and you'll be able to delete all of your watched videos on Facebook. You can delete one or you can delete everything. So from here you will have all of your watched videos, and from here you'll be able to delete it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.